Come on, girls, don't fight. She doesn't even have shoes.
Ew.
Well, we can fix that. And what's better than Mario shoes? These boots were made for walking and jumping on Goombas.
Mamma mia!
But the important thing is that it keeps you from stepping in stuff.
Hey. Ew.
Still, what's fancier than customized shoes? When it comes to heels, the bigger the better. Now just add water. And maybe a splash of color. Watch what happens when you shake it up. And if you think that's neat, wait until we add the fish.
Wow.
It's snack time. And this chocolate toilet's great for dipping. Better keep an eye on that leak. After all, we can use it to make spiral candy. Kinda looks like soft serve ice cream. Especially when you add the toppings. Hey, be nice. There's plenty to go around. No matter, we can make our own treats. Add some swirls inside this poppet toy. And sprinkles. Now cover the whole thing in chocolate. Ew. It'll harden into a giant candy treat. Take a bite. Uh-oh. Well, just like these blemishes, we've got you covered.
Wow.
Just press on these little tattoos. And then add some sparkle and shine. Look at all those shapes, hearts, crowns, wings.
Wow.
Your face is your very own charm bracelet. Oh no! It looks like it's spreading!
Oh no!
It's okay. Just draw a shape with a dry erase marker. Just look at how it slides right off. Give your face a nice dunk and look!
Wow.
They stick right on. Sure, you could just draw on your face, but where's the fun in that?
Ew.
Calm down. You just need soap and water. Guess it's easier said than done.
Oops.
Just use this soap dispenser. The soap comes out already lathered up. Soon those hands will be good as new. Just dry them off. Of course, bar soap can still be fun, especially when there's a prize inside. And don't worry if you decide you want your hands on that toy. All you need to do is keep washing those hands. Your nail is like a tiny canvas. Make it a work of art. And don't artists use pens? And also glitter. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, but so are emeralds.
Yay!
With all these different nails, it's like an art gallery right on your hand. Of course, some people prefer press-on nails. And we can even make our own machine. Now let's paint ourselves some nails. Both hands are free to add those little touches. And right into the cup it goes. We're gonna need 5 of these. Place your hand inside and take it for a spin. And the best part, it's easy to switch them up. Look, everyone, it's Balloon Mario! Oh no! Why would you? Oh, hey, is that a Pokeball? Nice! And in this corner, a giant water jug! Just cut off the top half. And fill it up with confetti.
Yay!
Now blow up a balloon. Don't close it, just twist it. Add to the bottom and let it go. Look at it go! Wait, who's cleaning that up? Gesundheit. We should clean that up. And not a moment too soon by the looks of it. Wait, are we still in your nose? I think we're lost. Well, at least it's a little cleaner than before.
Wow! Hey!
Now it's your turn, and we've got just the friend to help. Look, he slurps up all that gunk for you. Meaning you get to breathe easy. Money can solve a lot of problems. But sometimes, the unexpected happens. In which case, you're gonna need a cool tool. Finally get to see that. It'll collect all those balls in a pinch. But the real fun is shooting them out all over again. Oh no! Your blocks! I knew we should have glued them in place. Well, who needs blocks when we've got socks? Hitch it to a vacuum. And it collects the blocks for you. And keeps them all in one place. Wow, that is one stretchy sock. And it does good work. It's back in one piece. Aw, what a cute little pig. And what a squishy nose. I guess you can't stop at just one. Wow, pretty soon this girl's gonna be nothing but noses. At least these snouts make for great shoulder pads. And falling on your face would be a walk in the park. Now let's try out your new knee pads. We should use these things to make a helmet. Ouch! A stubbed toe! Ugh, that's gotta hurt. Here's an idea. Grab a sponge.
Gotcha!
And cut it up into little squares. Make some holes and slide your toes inside. They work great all over. Oh, a helmet! Finally. Let's try it all out. It works! And not a stubbed toe in sight. It's dinner time. Ooh, fresh fruits and veggies. You know, there's something about this tray. Kinda looks like a board game. Quick, clean your plate. Yeah, we won a prize. Chocolate, the best kind of prize. Mashed potatoes can be fun too. Broccoli too. They're like baby trees. Now for some nuggets and gravy. Wow, a volcano, but without the baking soda. But the only explosion is in the taste. Hey, can you save me a nugget? Rich, poor, amazing stuff. Catch you next time. Costume jewelry or not, you're never fully dressed without a tiara.
Wow.
Let's hope this girl likes to share her toys. Guess not. Poor baby. Be careful when begging. That doesn't lead to choosing after all. Don't get mad, honey. Get creative. Get inspired. Make something. Good idea. Straws are basically smaller versions of those tubes. But you can still stretch them out and make shapes. Cool. You can even make little loops and connect them. The expression less is more kind of comes to mind. And be careful. Squirrels bite when they get angry. Confetti makes a mess, but at least they're not throwing nuts. Ah, the toilet paper roll, a crafter's best friend. And if we need a squirrel, we'll just make one out of a balloon. Put your drawing skills to work. Go on, draw a face on it. I wonder where I could get a golden purse like that. Wow, you can pop the buttons in and out twice. If you can't make something out of construction paper, it's not worth having. Of course, laminating always makes things a little better. Making that cut transforms a circle into a button. Squishies. Whether they're cute or creepy, they're just fun. But maybe toothpaste, glitter, and a balloon can be fun too. We lose a lot of good tights to these DIY crafts. When you squeeze it all big, you can't tell the difference at all. Time for another round of the color game. Well, let's see. Blue, yellow, and green.
Wow.
Oh, so it looks like she is willing to share. Wonder what they're paying her. But once again, a balloon can be just as fun, with a little gypsum. See, even the other girl's friends are interested, and so is she. Kind of reminds me of an eggshell. Quick, guess the colors. Who knew you could have so much fun with beans? Did she really need to break her bracelet? Well, we'll see. For now, she has the right amount, and everything's coming together. squishy toys, and it's finally fun to touch a cactus. Well, at least she shared something with the other girl. And it's good to see that she has something up her sleeve. Glitter and shaving cream. Oh, this is gonna be good. And you can make it any color you want. That's cool. Okay, this girl must really be into stress balls. She's got them in rainbow and on silver platters. Well, you never know. One girl's trash is another girl's treasure. Not sure why there's a giant ball pile, but why question it? The best things in life are the just add water things. Let's hope it's tied shut, or things are gonna get messy. What on earth does our poor little rich girl have to cry about? Oh, how cute. It looks like she's making a friend. Good thing paper clips don't need to breathe. Well, it looks like we have time to make one more toy. Making something by cutting it apart is just beautiful. Collect a few straws, and you can make a whole bunch of them. At least this girl knows how to share. Awesome stuff as usual. Thanks for checking us out, and catch you next time.